Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Ioniq Hybrid. The sleek-looking Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid offers a nice, quiet ride while providing ample comfort. The Ioniq was built with efficiency in mind, but it will still give you a sporty driving experience and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, traction control, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.